Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new week of the weekly Forex market analysis. For the coming week, we'll be taking a look at the DXY, the EURUSD, and the USD CHF. Before we look into the DXY, EURUSD, and the USD CHF for the coming week, let us do a quick recap of these first four pairs that we had on the watch list for last week. So last week, the bears came to feast on the forecasted pairs. For the GBP USD, as expected, it went below the support of the channel and stayed bearish throughout the week. For the Euro JPY, it also remained below the trend line, which was acting as support and stayed bearish throughout the week. I didn't get this retest, so I didn't touch the Euro JPY. For the CAD JPY, we had a first breakout candle to begin the week, which made everything simple on the CAD JPY. So the CAD JPY also stayed bearish throughout the week. And the AD JPY also remained below the support, which is the trend line, to stay bearish throughout the week. But my favorites for the week were the CAD JPY and the GBP USD. Let us now move on to what we have for this week. The dollar index is the first instrument on the watch list, and after last week's movement, we can see from the market structure that this very instrument is making an attempt to form an ascending channel. For the coming week, the price of interest or the zone of interest would be around this area. So we'll be anticipating a move like the dollar index retraces back to the zone of the trend line to go back up and be bullish, or if the retracement is able to come and reaches this level, then we'll be expecting a second move, which would be a breakout of the support of the supposed channel for this very instrument to turn bearish. If the dollar index's retracement that I'm looking at never comes, I'll let go of my bullish setups and my bearish setups if all the conditions are met. Euro USD is up next, and I may be jumping the gun though, but this whole market structure looks like a falling wedge, which is still in the process of formation. So for the coming week, it'll be a simple setup for the Euro USD. This is the current resistance of the Euro USD. So if it's able to move up and hit the resistance, there could be a reversal at the resistance for the Euro USD to continue with its bearishness. Also, if the Euro USD is able to make a move up to the area of the resistance, there's the possibility of a breakout. USD CHF as the final pair on the watch list has provided us with a symmetrical triangle of sorts. So for the coming week, we know that symmetrical triangle do two things. They either break the resistance or they break the support. That will be all that will be expectant of you on the USD CHF. But then if it remains, whilst it remains within the confines of the triangle, there wouldn't be much to do. Just be patient and wait for the breakout. And with breakout trading too, you know that you shouldn't rule out false breakouts, which are the risks that you need to bear on breakout trading. On the fundamental side of things, the key economic news for the coming week would be the PMIs of the Great Britain on Monday, the German GDP, which will be affecting the euro on Tuesday, and on Wednesday there isn't any kind of crucial news. But then we jump straight to Thursday, where we have the GDP from the United States and the retail sales from Australia on Friday. I wish you a profitable trading week and see you next week if there are any good setups.